Hey street team, welcome back to Danny TV, where we bring what's going on in these streets to your TV. Okay, if you're new here, welcome. My name is Danielle. Make sure that you guys like, comment, and subscribe. I bet you're probably wondering why I call my subs the street team. Well baby, I'm a journalist and I got the tea. So yeah, let's get into this video. Happy Vlogmas. Today is going to be the first day of the 7 days of Christmas. So I told you I was going to keep some content rolling for the week of Christmas. So today we're doing a little unboxing, a little collective haul, some slight. So yeah, make sure that you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And let's get into the first item. The first item is a heavy hitter. If you guys watch my wish list / gift guide, y'all already kind of got an idea. So I went ahead and gifted myself the Skims / Fendi bodysuit. So this is how it came, like this. Let's just open it up. I had my eye on this for a while, y'all, and I was actually able to get it in the second drop. I ordered it with regular shipping the day that it came out, and I received it on a Monday. Like, Kim does not play, and I didn't really have any hassle on the website. I was able to like get the item in my cart, but when it was time to pay, they did have me wait a little bit in the line, but it wasn't too bad. So it came in this little box here, and then it says Skims, and it has the Fendi logo. So it's cute. It's the packaging for me. Has the little tag on it, like this. And yeah, so we have a cute little Fendi Skims bodysuit. So I ordered black just because I know that I'm going to wear this more than once, and I feel like the other colors were like way too loud to try to wear this more than once. And yes, I'm wearing this more than once. This was $180, so sis is going to get her money's worth. As far as the quality, I'm not really feeling like the material. It honestly feels like a one-piece swimsuit. Like, I don't know why they decided to go this route, but it is cute, and it's something that I really wanted. You can never go wrong with all black, and I love how it says Fendi Skims all over it. The way that this feels is so much different than Kim's like regular Skims product. I don't know if she did that just because it was Fendi and she wanted to do something different, but next time, sis, when you have a collab, I'm gonna need you to stick with normal quality, because this just feel weird. Since we were already into Fendi, let's get into these cute Fendi shades. I spent like my last vlog trying on shades, and I can say these are definitely a vibe. Y'all see the logo. I love the hint of green, and then it has the small detail of green here. So yeah, I cannot wait to wear these. The next item is going to be the Essentials Fear of God t-shirt. So it took me, first of all, 2 hours to get on this freaking website, and then when I got on there, everything was sold out. Like, I originally wanted a hoodie, but I've been like trying to get this brand for so long, I settled for a t-shirt. And baby, I'm a woman of God, so it was like, yeah, I gotta get this. So it came in this cute little baggie, and it says Essentials Fear of God. I love when brands have the little custom bags like this. It just makes everything in like the unboxing like better. So we have the t-shirt here, y'all. Just a plain little black t-shirt. It says Essentials on it. My favorite part is the back with this right here, like the logo, and it's on a little tag. Like, yeah, they did that. The next item that we're going to get into is this black puffer vest from Zara. As you can see here, I'm not a vest girl, and I wanted to elevate my style, so I was like, you know what, I'm going to get a vest, because you can dress vests up or down, and I feel like it's something super cute to wear during the fall and the winter. Like, I'm gonna wear like a little black turtleneck or get a black long sleeve full bodysuit, and then put this vest on, and the vest will be the main attraction, and it'll dress, you know, or elevate an outfit. So that's why I chose this, and I can't wait to wear it because it's so cute. And if it rains, sis is protected, okay? Like, the rain will not form against me. Now we're gonna get into some leather shorts. These are from Zara as well. So for me, I needed a pair of leather shorts, and I was like, you know what, let me go on Zara and look. And I feel like Zara is a good site to elevate your style. But for me, it's like you have to like know what you want on there, because you will get so lost because they have so much stuff on there. And you also have to know how to dress, because I feel like you have to pair everything up on their site. But you know what? That's neither here nor there. I was in the need for a pair of leather shorts and I came across these. They are super cute. For me, I like the length. I like that they're not too short and they're not too long, because okay, I don't want them too short because I don't want to be giving hoochie mama vibes and y'all don't need to see my booty or my booty meat. But I don't want them too long because sis is not trying to look like a substitute teacher. So I like that they're like in the middle. It gives the little cute, classy girl next door look, because baby, y'all know I'm a girl next door. I'm a journalist and I have to be cute, but I can't look like a granny. So that is why I like these. Next up, I have this cute little mini bag from H&M. Like, if you didn't know, now you're gonna know I am the queen of mini bags. This is cute and it's kind of like a dupe for the Bottega bags that are out. I just like that it's quilted. This bag was only $5, so I was like, okay, I have to get this because I definitely love to save my coin. And this was just a deal that I could not miss. Lastly, I am getting into these Pretty Little Things shades. I've been in need for like more shades because I love shades, y'all, but I feel like all the shades that I had I lost, or they were either out of style. I want to invest in some shades that'll never go out of style, so I decided to get these pair. Like, when you put these on, it elevates your look. Like, you could be dressed up and it elevates you, or you could be dressed down and it'll elevate you. These are definitely a vibe and they're one of my faves. This concludes my mini unboxing slash mini collective haul. Make sure that you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know which items did you like, which items that you didn't like. And thank you guys for watching.